So, why are you here?
He cares too much about what people think about him, and it's affecting our relationship.
It is in no way affecting our relationship.
It is.
I'm always there for her. I always put her first.
Yeah, see, I want to believe that, but I just don't feel that.
Can you be more specific?
Yeah, I mean... So when was the last time you posted anything about me?
Would that be something you'd be open to doing?
Absolutely not. It's professional suicide. But you know I can't do that. You know I have to play the game.
Just say it. You want people to want you.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you're obsessed.
Let him speak.
People have certain expectations of me. I can't just be open about every aspect of my life.
See, this is what he does. Whenever he speaks publicly or posts about anything on social media, he acts as if he's a martyr. I mean, he believes that he's saving the world.
Oh, God.
He is constantly posting about the millions that he's spending on green energy.
The green energy thing. I mean, what do you want me to do? Post about the billions I give you every year?
He will tell everyone that he now loves renewables. Oh, look at me and my pretty little windmills. And then he turns around and tells me that he loves me. Well, which is it?
Obviously, it's you. It's always been you.